What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about a new product, something different. This is a Wi-Fi booster for Nintendo Switch. I've been playing games on this Nintendo Switch 2020 edition from 2020, and there is only one thing that has made me unhappy about this device is its Wi-Fi connection. Yeah, Wi-Fi range and Wi-Fi speed both aren't that good, so I was waiting for Nintendo Switch OLED edition, and when Nintendo has released, when I could afford to buy one, I just went ahead and bought a Nintendo Switch OLED edition. But nothing has changed. Yeah, the display is bigger, it looks better, but Wi-Fi connection, network speed didn't change. It's slow speed with a very short Wi-Fi range. So I've been thinking and doing some research to fix this issue, and suddenly I have noticed this Kickstarter campaign. They have developed the Wi-Fi booster for Nintendo Switch. I was very excited. I wanted to test one, and yeah, I have got one. So I have been using this Wi-Fi booster for almost 2 months now. I have taken my time to test the product because it's a Kickstarter campaign. This is a prototype, and definitely the finally finished product will be a bit better than this one. And what I have seen through my testing process, I am super happy. Not only the OLED edition, I am actually enjoying playing games on this Nintendo Switch LCD edition too, because buffkits Wi-Fi booster has given it a new life. Well, let's start from unboxing. Let's see what things we have got inside the box, and then I will share with you how to connect buffkits Wi-Fi booster with your Nintendo Switch, how to use their smartphone application. Also, I will show you download speed, and also we are gonna test Wi-Fi range. Yeah, I'm super happy because now I can play games online. I can download games 10 times faster than before. Remember, it's a Kickstarter campaign. I will leave a Kickstarter campaign link in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead, check that campaign. Wait, before we start this video, if you end up liking this video, if you find this video helpful, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Share the love. Okay, this is not the final packaging, but let's do the unboxing. After you open the top lid, inside the box you will get a user manual. Buffkits have described every step clearly, so there is no way to make a mistake. The process is very easy. Underneath the user manual there is our Wi-Fi booster. You will also get a USB-C dongle, so you can even use this Wi-Fi booster in docking mode. There is an application comes along with this Wi-Fi booster. It's a very easy to use the application. After you launch the application, it will prompt you to add the Wi-Fi booster. Here is our buffkits Wi-Fi booster, and here goes Nintendo Switch OLED edition. Buffkits have precisely designed it so it's easy to attach with the Switch. After putting it on, you have to click on the button of the Wi-Fi booster. The LED lights will indicate that it is in pairing mode. Confirm that you have already clicked on the buffkits. Application will instantly find the device and will get paired. You will need to select your Wi-Fi network and then provide password of the network so that this buffkits Wi-Fi booster can access your Wi-Fi network. Finally, go to your Switch internet settings and select connect to the internet via wired connection. Within a moment, Nintendo Switch will confirm that it has connected to the Wi-Fi. Well, if you have an old LCD edition of Switch, nothing to worry about. You will be able to use this Wi-Fi booster with any Nintendo Switch. Before I have got this Wi-Fi booster, I used to get around 15 to 25 megabits per second download speed, and now I am getting around 80 to 90 megabits per second. This is truly amazing. Also, if you want, you can run a speed test of this Wi-Fi booster. I have got amazing results and performance. As my internet provider offers me 160 megabits per second internet speed, 129 with this buffkit is way and beyond my imagination, because I couldn't go beyond 25 megabits per second with my Nintendo Switch, and many other of my Wi-Fi devices couldn't even go beyond 50 megabits per second. Not only that, watching YouTube videos on my Nintendo Switch is so smooth with these buffkits. Let me show you how it feels to watch a video on Nintendo Switch without buffkits Wi-Fi booster. Yeah, I really hate this lagging, buffering. So this tiny little device from buffkits has changed my Nintendo Switch world. Well, I use Nintendo Switch for playing games, and that's the most important part. We buy Nintendo Switch to play games. Yeah, I was missing one very big part of using Nintendo Switch, that's online multiplayer gaming. Now I can play my favorite racing games online and it's so smooth. I think playing online games is much more fun than playing offline games, and I sometimes feel like, why didn't buffkits do this earlier? Why didn't they release it 2 years ago? Anyway, it's better late than never, and I'm super satisfied with this Wi-Fi booster from buffkits. I think my work efficiency has decreased a bit. I haven't been working on YouTube videos cause I am always busy playing online games with my friends and family. Playing games again became entertaining, joyful, and yeah, lovely it is. So if you like to play online games, I think you should try this buffkits Wi-Fi booster. It has worked for me, it has worked for some of my friends, so I think this one is working perfectly fine. Well, after watching through this video, what do you think? I'm not only excited, I'm very happy with this product, and I'm gonna back 3 of these products through their Kickstarter campaign, one for my son, one for myself, and one for my girlfriend, because in our home we play online multiplayer games and I believe we are gonna enjoy the happy moments. Okay, if you have found this video helpful, if you have liked this video, then please click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Also, please make a comment and let me know what do you think about this product. If you have any question about this product, go ahead, ask me. I will be happy to reply you. Okay, it's time to play some games. I'm gonna play some games. Go ahead, you too, play some games. Have some fun.